Ever wondered what happens to all that data collected by drones? From data transfer to decoding data insights, the process is complex. Well, imagine it's like a whirlwind of information, swirling around, but then it hits a snag, like a traffic jam on a narrow road. Everything gets stuck and frustration sets in. But here's where FlyghtCloud swoops in. It makes a clear, open highway for your drone data, making everything flow smoothly. As your drone data travels through FlyghtCloud, it gets transformed from bits and pieces to clear, useful insights. Large amount of data evolves into clear, actionable insights and user-friendly reports. And these insights, they're like power-ups for everyone involved. From project managers to GIS analysts to government officials, helping them in efficient decision-making. So, let's not waste any time. Just one click and FlyghtCloud maximizes the complete potential of your drone data.